Good morning children. Welcome back to Google class. Today we will see chapter 15 Khagam. About the story. Khagam is a short story by one of the greatest filmmakers Satyajit Roy. The narrator tells a first-person account of a sinister and mysterious incident he witnessed. The narrator on a holiday in Bharatpur stays at a guest house where he meets Durjati Babu. On being asked by the cook and caretaker if they will go to see the local legend Imli Baba and his snake, they decided to go. Durjati Babu skeptically asks the narrator to take the story about the snakes who drink milk with a pinch of salt. At the hermit's hut, they see discarded snake skins on the wall. The Baba, sitting on a bear skin, calls out to the snake named Bal Kisan. The snake does not appear. Later, they see a snake coming out of the bushes. Immediately, Durjati Babu throws a rock at it, killing it. Everything, including Imli Baba and his disciples, are shocked to see this because the snake had already died. Imli Baba ominously raises his forefinger to point at Durjati Babu, saying that another Bal Kisan will come to take his place because that had already died, and then he said, Imli Baba, that another Bal Kisan will take his place. It means maybe he will change in a form of snake. On the way back, when the narrator asks him why he killed the snake, Durjati Babu asks a seemingly uncounted questions about someone called Khagam. Back at the guest house in the evening, Durjati Babu starts acting funny. The narrator asks him to go to his room if he is not feeling well, because the narrator did not understand what is happening to him. Actually, he was taking the form of the snake, the one who had died. The narrator asks him to go to his room if he is not feeling well. 2 or 3 times he knocks on the narrator's room in the night, once to show diamond-shaped past and another time to ask if snake is spelled with a single S, and then falls over and moves under the bed. In the morning, Durjati Babu is missing because the narrator was trying to find out and he was not there. The narrator goes to see Imli Baba to ask if he knows where he is. Imli Baba cryptically says that Durjati Babu has brought his Bal Kisan to him. On the wall, the narrator spots what looks like another snake skin or maybe human skin. The story closes with Imli Baba starting to call for his Bal Kisan. Thank you.